Hey guys, welcome back to Callie's Crafts. Today we're going to be making glow-in-the-dark slime. So all you'll need is some glow-in-the-dark glue and some activator and a bowl and a spatula, of course. So that's all you'll need, just 2 ingredients. Make sure you go check out my other 2 ingredients on this channel. I'll link it in the description. Okay, let's get started.
And it goes a little something like
So first, I'm just gonna pour in the glue. I got pink. There's different colors too. And then after this, we're gonna go in the dark and see if it works. Okay, that should be enough. Just gonna put the cap back on. Next, I'm gonna add some activator. Just gonna add it all in. And then we're gonna mix it all up. I add a little bit more glue since I added too much activator. Mix it up some more. Okay, now I'm going to dig in with my hands. Whoa, so sticky. I think I need to add some more activator. Maybe less trouble. Right. Oh, so sticky still. Let's speed it up. So now we're gonna go in a dark room to see if it glows in the dark. Hopefully it works.
Whoa.
Okay. This is so cool. Whoa. Now I know that it works. And it's crunchy too. Ooh. totally recommend making this slime. Alright guys, as you saw, that definitely worked. It was so cool in there, huh? If you want to see more of Callie's Crafts, I post every Wednesday and Saturday every week. 2 times a week. So you can enjoy 2 videos a week. Alright,